Today we are opening the Elegoo Mini Air Purifier. Now this is not to be confused with the one that is a USB, so let's get into it. Right away we see an instruction manual. Very nice. Let's see what comes out easier. Alright, these come out first. These are the activated carbon pieces that go into the air purifier. We have 2 of them. I hope these are replacements and not just ones for it. All right, let's zoom in. Let's take these out now. So these are actually how big they are. I thought they were magnetic for a second, but it's actually got a clear plastic film over them. So here we are. This is what one looks like. Now it's about the size of a soda can or the size of my hand. Now let's get these out of the way. Alright, it looks like this is a charger. It's actually a very nice charger. It looks like an old iPhone charger. And once again, this is actually a micro USB, not a C, just a B. So here are the charging utensils. So let's get to it. So laid out in front of me is everything that comes with the Elegoo Mini Air Purifiers. Let's go open one of these up. So I believe they just So it actually does come with 4 carbon filters, which is amazing, guys. That means we have a replacement for each of them. And these last, I believe they said 3 to 6 months is when these need to be changed, which is great. These additionally, each one of these lasts 24 hours on a full charge. So we gotta pull this out. Ooh, it's gonna get messy. And then I believe we just pop it back into here. And find the clip spot, which is just 2. We just clip it right back on. And here we go, it's already running. Now I believe these will have to be charged. I don't really hear them, but they are supposed to be very quiet as well. But yes, this one's charged more, but there we have it, guys. The Elegoo Mini Air Purifiers for your resin printers or FDM. I will be doing a test on these very shortly when I get my resin printer. Thank you for watching, and make sure you hit that like button and subscribe for more 3D printing content.